error analysis, and dimension analysis. So error analysis completed, dimension analysis. So dimension formula, the applications of dimension analysis. The first one, check the given equation, checking format. Next one system into another system. Third one, the relationship between the given physical quantity. So three application. Okay, now we'll discuss. Here four variables. Okay, the rate of flow of volume per second of water through a pipe depends upon following factors. Using the method of dimension, derive the relation. Use constant for the proportionality, pi by 8. Okay, the pressure difference between the two end A, length of the pipe L, radius of the pipe R, coefficient of viscosity, coefficient of water, that is the neta. The rate of flow of volume per second of water through a pipe, it is depends upon. Okay, in this four quantity. Now, first we want to write the relationship formula. That the rate of flow of water is directly proportional to pressure, length, radius, coefficient of viscosity of water. Okay, that relationship first we want to write. So this is the relation. The rate of flow, pressure, two end, pressure difference between the two end. So pressure by L, A power A, R, that is the radius, and neta. The symbol name is called neta. Okay, neta power C, and the constant value pi by 8. One minute. So first everyone write the dimension formula. Pressure, length, radius, and neta. Actually, you are new for neta, so that you can refer in the material. What is the dimension formula? Do it fast. I need final equation. Try yourself. After I will explain. Pressure, length, R, that is the length, radius. This is neta. Refer the material. Coefficient of viscosity, coefficient of viscosity of water, both also same dimension formula. Okay, listen. So next step, the rate of flow. So V is the volume, rate of flow. Okay, rate of flow means time it is there. So that the dimension formula for the rate of flow, that is a L cube T power minus 1. Normal volume, that is a L. Here rate of flow it is there. So that you should write L cube T power minus 1. Next, pressure by length. So pressure means what? Pressure formula. Force by area. Okay, force by area, mass into acceleration. This is area, you can write capital A. Okay, mass, m it is the acceleration, L T power minus 2. L T power minus 2. That is the acceleration dimension formula. Next, A is the area. Area dimension formula L square. So already L power 1 it is the L power minus 2 into L it is. So that finally you will get m power 1 L square L power minus 2 T power minus 2. This is the pressure by L dimension formula. Pressure divided by L. Okay. Pressure means force by area into L. Force, mass into acceleration. No need step by step. You can write directly. For new student purpose, I'm explaining for step by step. Okay, you go for directly. Area into L. So now write the dimension formula. Mass m power 1. A, small a, it is acceleration. So acceleration means A is equal to velocity divided by time. Velocity displacement by time. So that L T power minus 2. Next, area L square and length also L. Finally, you will get m power 1. This is 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Power 1 it is there. So minus 2. T power minus 2. So this is the pressure by length dimension formula. You want to know about the particular formula, then it is easy for you. You are just reading pressure m power 1 L power minus 2 like that. After 3 to 4 days after, you will confuse m power 1 L power 1 or minus 1 like that. So you should you can understand the physical quantity, then it is very easy. Okay, so apply the values here. Power A. Next, radius, the measurement of length, L power 1. Next, N, neta formula, you refer in the material, M power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 1. This is a constant dimension formula. Okay, M power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 1. Power C. Next, balance the powers alone. All the M, A. Next, for next step, for here there is no B, so that you can write 0B. Next step, plus C. This is 0B, A plus C. Okay, same for L also. L power minus 2A for B plus 1 B, for the C minus 1C, minus 2A plus B minus C. Next step. Third step, t. T power minus 2a b. It is not there. For understanding purpose, you should write 0b. Next to minus 1c. Minus 2a minus c. Up to that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. First step, from the equation, you should write the formula, the relationship formula. Next step, applying the dimension formula. 2 steps completed. Up to that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Shall we go for next? It is clear? Surya,
Yes,
Gokul Pranav, Joshua, Sanjay. Okay.
Sir, Bhuban sir, 1 minute sir. So 1 minute sir.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Sir, lobby la edavadhu irukangalaanu parunga sir.
No sir.
ஒரு ஸ்டூடண்ட் உள்ள வர முடியலனாரு. சரிங்க சார், நான் செக் பண்றேன்.
Okay sir. One minute, ma. For the LHS, m power 0, L power 3, t power minus 1 it is there. Only power values are not balance, ma. A plus c. It is the m, no? In this m, it is equal to LHS, m power 0. See here, again I am writing m power 0, m power a plus c it is there. So power value it is equal. A plus c equal to 0. So like that you can follow for the next L and T also. A plus c equal to 0. Minus 2a plus b minus c. It is equal to 3. Minus 2a minus c equal to minus 1. Now, a plus c equal to 0 it is there. A value equal to minus c. A value equal to minus c. So now I am applying in this value. Listen, after you copy, ma, listen everyone. For third equation, minus 2a minus c equal to minus 1 it is there. Now instead of a purpose, I am writing minus c. So minus into minus plus 2c minus c equal to minus 1. So finally, minus 2c minus c it is there. C equal to minus 1. C equal to minus 1. C value minus 1 now. Now you apply here. Minus into minus plus. So a value plus 1. Now you know the value of a and c. Apply into equation number 2. Equation number your purpose only, for your understanding purpose. Okay. So b value 4. A value 1. B value 4, C value -1. Now, all the values we can apply into first equation. This one, in this formula. A value, B value, C value. A value 1, B value 4, C value -1, neta -1. So finally, you will get the relation for the given equation V equal to pi P R power 4 divided by 8 neta L. Okay. Based on dimension formula, we can derive one physical quantity formula or one equation also. Now you copy ma. No need in the stories and all. This and no need. Write the question. Next you go for the equation. Second step, dimension formula. Next balancing dimension formula. Final answer ABC value. After apply into the first equation. That's all. Up to this also okay. No problem. You will get full mark. Very important. The value of A, B, and C. A value 1, B value 4, C value -1. In case you made any small mistake, the entire step it is changed. The relation is different. So don't miss it. 1 or 2 times just to verify. Once sums completed, okay, from the question, read the question. All the pressure, length, radius, coefficient of viscosity. The relation is correct. Next, power ABC. Okay. Next, I'm writing the power by L dimension formula. Next, R dimension formula, neta dimension formula. Next, balancing the equation. So everything you want to verify once sums completed means. Completed. Okay. Next one. Dimension formula, converting system. Okay, everyone write the problem. It is not there in this PDF. This one in book PDF. Please note it. The density of a material in CHA system is the density of a material in CGS system, CGS, centimeter gram second system, is 8 gram centimeter cube. 8 gram centimeter minus 3. In a system of unit in which unit of length, in a system of unit of length value 5 centimeter and unit of mass 20 gram, unit of mass 20 gram. What is the density of the material? So this is the CGS system. So now I'm converting CGS system to one more system that it didn't mention that whether it is a SI system or not. Simply it is the unknown system, that is a system of unit. In this system, the value of length, it is a 5 centimeter, mass 20 gram. Before we discussed 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne, like that. From in this question, easy to know the values 1 Newton, 10 power 5 dyne, everything we know very well. It is very easy. So now we go for somewhat difficult problem for the competitive exam purpose. The density of CGS system 8 gram centimeter power minus 3. System of unit length value 5 centimeter, mass value 20 gram. What is the density of the material? From in this system, what is the density? This one you consider to D1. So this is D2. Okay. What is the density of the material? First you try, everyone. Try yourself. Everyone write the formula. N2 formula. N2 equal to N1, M1 divided by M2 whole power A, L1 divided by L2 whole power B, T1 divided by T2 whole power C. This is the formula. Density, mass by volume. Density dimension formula, you should write mass by volume, mass M, volume L power minus 3, T power 0. Okay. Try yourself. Dhanusri, Niranjan, what is the answer? Shankar, Sriranga Darshini. Did you understand, ma? Okay, listen. Listen, everyone. N2 formula, N2 equal to N1 M1 divided by M2 whole power A, L1 divided by L2 whole power B, T1 divided by T2 whole power C. So this is the formula for converting one system into another system. Now from the question, CGS system. CGS, centimeter, gram, second. Centimeter, gram, second. M1, mass, no, centimeter, gram, second. The M1 value 1 gram. We should take L1 value centimeter, mass, length, centimeter, CGS, centimeter, gram, second, 1 centimeter. T1, 1 second. N1 value from the question, N1 value 8. 8. Same thing for another system also. M1 value. What is the M1 value? 20 gram. So this is M2 ma. M2 equal to 20 gram. L2 equal to 5 centimeter. For the density, there is no time, but no problem. Should take. So no need that one. If you have any confusion, you should take, no problem. T2 also 1 second. N2 value is question mark. Okay. Next step, density dimension formula. So density equal to mass by volume, mass m power 1, L power minus 3, volume L cube, T power 0. Okay, now I know all the values. ABC value, this is ABC value. A value 1, B value minus 3, T P value 0. A value 1, B value minus 3, C value 0. Now you know all the values, M1, L1, T1, N1, M2, L2, T2, N2 is the question mark. Now you try. What is the value of N2? Tell me. I given all the values. Formula also I said. Just to apply the values, find the answer. Do it fast. Whether it is right or wrong, no problem. Try. You are getting wrong answer also, no problem. But try. Simply you are watching the class, some students. Yes, yeah, 2, 3, 4 like that. It is no use. Try it. I'm waiting for your reply, ma. Within 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Vishwa Harini, Jikshana Sri, Tamarai Chelvam, Sri Hari, Muhammad. There is one more student, Muhammad. What is the answer? N2 value. Okay, listen here, ma. The value of N2, it is a question mark. N1 value 8, M1 divided by M2, M1, that is a 1 gram, divided by M2 value 20 gram, A value 1. Next, L1 divided by L2, L1 value 1 centimeter, L2 value 5 centimeter, power -3. Next to 1 seconds divided by 1 seconds, power C. C value 0. So both also gram only. This is also centimeter only. So no need to convert. In case, so this is in 1 kg. This is 20 gram. It is there. You convert 1000 gram divided by 20 gram like that. Same unit means no need to convert. Opposite, it is a different. You convert into same unit. But in this problem, you go for direct. Eight into 1 by 20 into 1 power -3 divided by 5 power minus 3. Okay, this one do the reciprocal. 8 into 1 by 20. Do the reciprocal ma. 5 power plus 3 divided by 1 power plus 3. I'm doing for the reciprocal. So then only you will get positive value. So after you will get N2 value 50. That's all. Be completed. Copy this.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Your Sunday homework. Everyone complete your classwork. Error analysis, dimension analysis, significant figures, a roundup, fundamental units, derived units, supplementary units. Next week onwards, I will check your classwork. Okay, one by one. Last 10 to 15 minutes or before whatever time convenient, I will verify. This is one more problem. A new system of unit is proposed in which unit of mass, it is a alpha kg, unit of length beta m, and unit of time, that is a gamma second. How much will 5 joule measure in the new system? 5 joule in the new system. So joule is the SI unit, but one more unit, it is a alpha kg beta m gamma second. So this is the new system from the alpha, beta, gamma. For in this PDF, after the class, you can try. If you are any doubt, you can ask next class. If you see some interesting problem. Today discussing problem, this one, relation method. This one also. All formula related one problem you can try. First read the question, try yourself, after verify yourself. Okay, my answer is correct. So I'm doing properly. Good. Is then in your NCERT book, unit and measurement. In this chapter, the units, fundamental units, system of units, CGS, MKS, FPS, fundamental units, 7 names, and with the unit. This one no need, ma. For your knowledge purpose only. Whenever you free, just read. Advantages of SI unit. Error related problem, absolute error, relative error, percentage error, combination of error, error in sum, error in difference, error in product, error in division, error in power, significant figures, round up, dimension formula, variable and constant, physical quantity, variable quantity, constant quantity, principle of homogeneity, the uses of dimension formula, the conservation of physical quantity from one system to another system, checking the accuracy of physical equation, deduction of relationship between the different physical quantity. That is alpha force. Now we discuss the rate of flow directly proportional. That is the deduction of relationship between different physical quantity. Last class we discussed work. It is equal to kinetic energy. That is the second one. Third one, conservation of physical quantity, one system to another system, N2 formula. The limitation, the dimension formula only applicable for some condition only. That it didn't given proper proof for the trigonometry function, logarithm, and exponential complex quantity also. So this is the limitations of dimension analysis. Next, instrumental studies it is there. The Vernier caliper, screw gauge. So this and all we'll discuss next class. It is based on practical knowledge. The next class I will show you the practical video also. Okay. So don't miss it. Do the incomplete work for Sunday. Again, we'll meet next class. Thank you. Bye. If you have any doubt, you can ask.